And now let's take the verb take. The V3 form of the verb take is taken. What have I not taken? ನಾನು ಏನನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. When have you not taken? ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. When has he not taken? ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. Why has he not taken? ಅವಳು ಯಾಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. How much has it not taken? ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. How many have we not taken? ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. How have you not taken? ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. When have they not taken? ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. This is what the structure of present perfect tense interrogative WH type of sentences. My dear students, so far we studied the structures of present perfect tense. Now let's have a look at the usage of the present perfect tense. What are the different situations this tense is used? As I always keep telling you while explaining the usage of these 12 tenses, the formula is very important. If you know Kannada language, then if you speak Kannada language fluently, then the formula is very easy for you. They have written, ಅವರು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I have written, ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. She has written, ಅವಳು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. See here, this ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಬರೆದಿದೆ, ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is the formula. You can apply this formula to all the verbs in present perfect tense. They have eaten, ಅವರು ತಿಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. She has come, ಅವಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. She has run, ಅವಳು ಓಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Ramesh has beaten, ರಮೇಶನು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. See here, ದಾನೆ, ದಾಳೆ, ದಾರೆ. This formula is there now. If you remember this formula, then usage is natural. You will understand where it is used in that sense. Now let's have a look at some usage. To emphasize the result, whatever has happened, 10 batches. See here, they have finished 10 batches. So to emphasize that, we use this present perfect tense. Then see here, she has eaten 5 apples. 5 apples, this is the result. To emphasize this, we use this tense. Commendable job. They have done a commendable job. What have they done? They have done a commendable job. Here commendable job is a result. To emphasize this, we use this tense. Then to express an action that is still going on. And this is somewhat usually used in negatives. They have not submitted their assignments. Still the submission of assignment is there. It is going on now. It has not completed. They have not done their homework yet. Their homework is still pending. You have not paid your tuition fees. He hasn't yet paid his tuition fees. It's still pending. Then just finished action. See here, I have explained first one and second one usage of present perfect tense. I have explained this is just finished action. To express the just finished action, we use present perfect tense. Ramesh has come back from the temple. He has just arrived, like that. They have taken a shower. They have just taken shower. They have just taken a bath. I have managed to come out. Anyway, from that situation, I came out. I have come out. Just come out. So this is what the usage of present perfect tense. Now let's have a look at another example of these sentences in the form of multimedia.
Tenses. 3. Present perfect tense. Assertive sentences. 3. Present perfect tense ಪೂರ್ಣ ವರ್ತಮಾನ ಕಾಲ. Helping verb have has. Verb form V3. Assertive sentences. Positive sentence structure subject plus helping verb plus V3. Singular ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I have gone. You have gone. He has gone. She has gone. It has gone. Plural. We have gone. You have gone. They have gone. Negative. Sentence structure subject plus helping verb plus not plus V3. Singular. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. I have not gone. You have not gone. He has not gone. She has not gone. It has not gone. Plural. We have not gone. You have not gone. They have not gone. Interrogative yes or no sentences. 3. Present perfect tense ಪೂರ್ಣ ವರ್ತಮಾನ ಕಾಲ helping verb have has verb form V3. Interrogative yes or no sentences. Positive sentence structure helping verb plus subject plus V3 plus question mark. Singular. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನಾ. Have I gone? Have you gone? Has he gone? Has she gone? Has it gone? Plural. Have we gone? Have you gone? Have they gone? Negative. Sentence structure helping verb plus subject plus not plus V3 plus question mark. Singular. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲವೇ. Have I not gone? Have you not gone? Has he not gone? Has she not gone? Has it not gone? Plural. Have we not gone? Have you not gone? Have they not gone? Haven't I gone? Interrogative WH sentences. 3. Present perfect tense ಪೂರ್ಣ ವರ್ತಮಾನ ಕಾಲ helping verb have has verb form V3. Interrogative WH sentences. Positive sentence structure WH plus helping verb plus subject plus V3 plus question mark. Singular. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Where have I gone? How have you gone? When has he gone? How far has she gone? Where has it gone? Plural. Where have we gone? When have you gone? How have they gone? Negative sentence structure WH plus helping verb plus subject plus not plus V3 plus question mark. Singular. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. Where have I not gone? How have you not gone? When has he not gone? How far has she not gone? Where has it not gone? Plural. Where have we not gone? When have you not gone? How have they not gone? Where haven't I gone? Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
So far we studied tense number 3, that was present perfect tense. Now let's have a look at present perfect continuous tense, that is the fourth tense.